Okay, so I've got two shades in this Dior concealer. I've got 4W and then I've got 3WO, and the O is for more like olive skin tones and the W is for warm. So I've got warm and warm olive. 4W is my exact shade, and that is the shade that I also use for my Dior Backstage foundation as well. So I would say that whatever shade you are in the foundation matches up with what concealer you are. I've got 3WO just to brighten a little bit around the edges, because this one conceals really well, and I just wanted this one just to brighten it a little bit as well. And the reason I went for 3WO rather than 3W is just because there won't be too much shade difference, and I didn't want 3W to just be like too light and then it would look grey. Got a tiny bit of colour corrector on, so I'm just going to go in this and I'm going to show you like how little I use of this. So I love this packaging. It's like all big, bulky, feel like you're getting a lot of product, and even the applicator is like quite a substantial size. I'm going to do one eye at a time so you can see. So I'm going to dot it literally just where it's dark, which is just there. So remember, before I used to do the whole that's too much product now. Okay. Grown up since then, you know. Got myself a little mirror, and I'm just going to use my finger just to blend that there. If you see that darkness is like instantly gone. I'm going to do the other eye, but then you can see one eye at a time. But I just love how this, like, you can use a tiniest little amount and just really blend it out, so you don't have to use a lot of product at all. And if you want to build it up, you can to be heavier. Okay, so I finished like the rest of my makeup, set my concealer, and if you can see, it literally has not creased at all. And that's why I like this, because it's like, it gives you good coverage, but it's still lightweight, so it doesn't crease. And I think that's like really important, because I have recently, like, a lot of concealers that I used to love in the past, for example Urban Decay All Nighter, gives you amazing coverage, but I just found it was so heavy, so it was starting to crease under my eyes. So I think like when you're over 35, you need that kind of balance between creamy and lightweight and not going to crease. That's why I really like this Dior Forever concealer, because it gives you like a really nice mix of exactly what you need in a concealer. And I haven't been using my eye cream trick with this either. I've literally just been using it straight out of the bottle, as you say, and it's working really well for me, and it still looks like dewy, doesn't look dry. I'm just really loving this new concealer, so I just wanted to share those with you.